guys, this is Ritotarians Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Ritotarians Mama page. You can also see me on Ritotarians Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
The so-called Ritotarians, they call my posts, they comment, I go beat you, Nasha. If you not get honor, make una go hide. If you not get anything called dignity, make una territory, may go hide. With deceit and lies, we thought she was somebody, never knowing that she's so empty. Lolo don't give her the soccer sponge. There's nothing you can do about it. If I consider, can't give her double soccer sponge, she go finish. Make she go hide in shame. Rito unda. Make una go hide in shame. Shame and disgrace. Narcissist. No, they shame. Lolo beat you water with fat. When I tell you, I warn you, you say you stubborn, you dey find fame. Now, dwell and dine with this your hall of shame where you did today. Now, hall of shame you did. If you not get any iota of shame in you, come back on the talk. Who they watch you again? People don't block you. People don't block you. You're not more relevant. Lord don't beat you. Hands down. Hands down. Shout like canary from now till 50 years time. You know go they relevant. What to make you get momentum? Because we thought you were something good. Everybody follow you. Everybody supported you. We never knew that you can be a snitch like this. So you can't be snitch to your mother, to your parents. What a shame. If I consider I can't beat you, you know good for you. Tell your puppies, may they come up from my inbox. Tell them, may they go hide in shame. You know the shame. If I say I can't beat you, water. You go return the money where Papa you give you when you take go arrest Frank Papa. You go return her. You go return her. If you not return her, your house will collect water for Bini. Now you say, now you get assassin pass. You go see double. Unda. You go return the money Papa you give to you. Unda. Thief. We never knew you were so useless. I don't say that's so you stupid, you dirty, stinking, gossiping your parents. Then you want to claim relevance. We will see whether truth or lie. What is the winner? Unda. Who be the Ritotarians? People don't disown you, don't abandon you. They don't leave your junction. Now fools go there. Who you be? Who are you? Coming with lies. We thought you were somebody, not knowing that you are so empty. You went to Lolo seeking relevance. So that you use your mama to seek relevance. They arrest your mama for Nigeria. We get sympathy to prepare you, not knowing you don't do that. You don't use it to do sacrifice. Blood money, you use your parents for blood money. Unda Rita, Zimbabwe side chick. Zimbabwe man will leave you very soon. You don't get value anymore. You are worthless than the Zimbabwe dollars. Like I tell you, you dey worthless than the Zimbabwe dollars. Let me tell you, and Omofuma, when I call my inbox again, make I beat Rita this night. Go dey buy all of una, not dey mad. I don't come again, no Ritotarians, no dey find my trouble, so make I give una small injection. Small injection. Small one. I know this one now stand there, I'll take do one. I just stand, I dey give una. I want give una small one. Abadabidi Ritotarians. Shame Ritotarians. You don't come out, come beat una Ritotarians. Shame. Nothing like Ritotarians anymore. Not gonna go hide in shame because we no would ever be relevant. I go use nothing to do comedy skit. That comedy skit I go use nothing to do. Una worthless. That chair when I give Rita, if she go fall for that chair, break waist. She not go ever be relevant again. Lolo don't beat her. Now she force herself to be friend to Lolo. She not humble. She not want humble. Even Atuari, last. After you last because of the greed where they inside her. She want to be famous overnight. It come from Barcelona. She believes she don't arrive. Whereby she's nobody. She's nobody. Zero. We come there apply certain say she be somebody. You use a authority climb. We say this one, they focus. We're fighting justice for J-Boy. You, not justice for your parents now. Justice for your parents where you used to climb. By fire, by thunder. What a greedy child. Because they speak those your cut and English. You went to school, you are learned. You don't want to associate with illiterates. Whereby you are the number one illiterate. I am pronouncing it loud and clear that you are the number one illiterate. Unda Rita. You are the number one illiterate. Number one illiterate. Anybody associated with you anymore, henceforth, that person name can never be attached to what is called justice, dignity, honor. You failed woefully. You failed woefully. Seriously. I didn't warn you that time. You decided to joke. Now you met your Waterloo. What can you do about it? Run from that in the next 10 years. You remain irrelevant. If I see that you used to do skit, I will tell you how you take stupid. Mumu. You can be that evil. That snitch. You are the worst upon the worst. Nobody has gone so low like you've gone so low on this cyberspace. Nobody. No presenter ever. You find friendship. You know if you get honor because you find friendship. You want to come on top. You sold your parents because you find friendship. Well, you know, so you don't say your parents. You not hide. You dey pretend. You be angel. You be this. You be come bring audio. Come out. One can claim say you there on top because who not get something to offer and they say the empty drum make the loudest noise. That is just what you did. When the Lord give you now water with fast and figures better than whatever you brought out. So if you consider God they talk so you get Ritotarians, shame and whatever follow you and your stupid Ritotarians. As far as I'm concerned, you are worthless. More than this Zimbabwe dollar. That's why he go run leave you very soon. If you say you don't be famous, shut up Osa somewhere. May the wrath of God hit you water there. What's my problem? My problem is people of your kind, idiots like your kind. The wrath of God strike all of them dead. We know they fit talk truth. Going back will buy your generation yet unborn. I will block you later. I can first pass the message. You not distraction to those you be puppies of lies, puppies of supporting evil. Woe betide Rita with lies. Woe betide her 1 billion times with lies. Liar. You not feel whole friendship. You just want to get Facebook money by fire, by thunder. Well, you know, so you don't air like this. It's not to just play along. No, they bring hair come out. You strong. You be where me I know Lolo more than 10 years now. I know Lolo say she go beat you. She has been here before you. She go beat you to the game. Lolo give her to Atwari water. Atwari never get peace till tomorrow. You small pikin where they do hook up with your rag. Just come out. You sick. You take climb. You walk up beat who give you ladder to climb. You never fit. I knew. I see when they do hook up that year. When this boy come, when they beat you, say you tip their money. You they tip people money. You store their money in your hookup. Now hookup you take come. When they steal people money, when they beat you, you can't divert. Come stay, they speak a cotton English. We call they say, oh, what an angel. We were looking, oh, where we find, with sentiment. I see they look, not knowing that this is an evil from the pit of hell. Want to be worse than actuary? You want it to be worse than actuary? Actuary they learn for your case. That's why you go down so fast. You don't go fit climb up again. I mean pronouncer. I'll be forced, whether you choose to like it or not. I'm a force with good message on this Edo cyberspace. I'm a great force. You say, well, I don't call sit down, call beat useless. I leave you. Then your puppies, they can't comment for my pictures. They tell me, they say their papa lack vitamin of Toto. But I don't lack, I get Toto, but don't be foreign nation Toto. If that's what I lack, thank God, I lack that kind of vitamin of foreign nation Toto. Unda. Stupid person. Take chain, take tight it. Social media do me well. You get money for social media, you do people for hookup. You go arrange your teeth, make you talk truth. We will not say you be snitch behind the scene. You be devil. So go and hide the shame. Go and hide the shame, man. If possible, by yourself. Like a pit toilet. You are pit toilet, this is a category. You are pit toilet. For where are they? No, this is the same category. You are pit toilet. Shameless people. That's what I give you. Small one. Let me say I respect myself. I don't want to talk on the matter. I always advise. Give her small. I can deal with your matter for 1 month. If I want to find money for Facebook, I can use this topic. Take find money for Facebook. But I don't be Facebook freak. I don't come here because of money. I go use that law. Audio today they beat you to eternity. Unda, you failed. So honorably go and hide the shame. This is my last submission for you. If you don't get honor, continue to make noise. You met your Wahala. It's obvious. Not to fools the way they support you, but I'm well schooled, more learned than those fools. I know when I say the person they don't beat her, you need to withdraw. You retreat. Go back and hide the shame. If you want to shout. You could shout like fool for there. They can leave you, Unda, Rita. Unda.